You will be taking random names now. You will not take your own name. You will have to take any random name. जिसका भी आप नाम लोगे, that person will take another random name. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start. Sejal, Sujit,
Akash, Surjit. No.
one. Eh? Four. Other four.
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11,
12, 13,
14, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
29, 30, 31.
एक वर्ड साइमल्टेनियसली बोलना है जिसका सेंटेंस बेटर होगा योर मतलब द टीम विल विन. योर फर्स्ट वर्ड इज सॉल्व.
Puzzles are solved by logical thinking.
टीम बी. नेक्स्ट वर्ड प्रोटेक्ट. तुम स्कोर गिनो. आप इसके स्कोर गिनो.
Indian Armed Forces protecting the nation India.
Soldiers give their life to protect the country.
नेक्स्ट वर्ड स्टेप.
Step up transformers are better than step down transformers. Unit step function is used in basic signals and system.
क्या स्टेप का क्या बोला?
मैम स्टेप सिग्नल्स होते हैं ना बेसिक सिग्नल सिस्टम के टॉपिक के अंदर आते हैं. ट्रांसफार्मर से बोला तो मैंने उसको काउंटर कर दिया. अरे
वन.
सही बोला
ऐसे ही बोल. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इंटरेस्ट.
There are no enemies and friends in the foreign policy interest. All they seek is interest. Ma'am, compound interest is the better form of interest.
नॉलेज.
Knowledge is power.
Knowledge can gain through the age.
दोनों साइमल्टेनियसली तुम बोलो.
Knowledge comes with reading. Practice knowledge.
Knowledge is key to success.
Knowledge can be gained by
Power of thoughts.
किसी को नहीं दे रहे हम. हेट.
Pakistan aid towards India is the barrier of their success of their growth economically. मैं बोल तो रहा हूँ.
ठीक है. Do you have any sentence? Team B, Puttu.
Militants are hate by religious extremists. Teacher hates.
Militants are hate by death.
That is the ultimate.
After death, there is a new life. That is just the beginning to a new life.
That is just a part of life.
कहानी है क्या? Beginning of new life.
Activity same है. It's related to words only, but slight change. Now I'll be giving a word to team A, and team A will make a sentence on it. Then team B will choose a word from that sentence, and you have to make a sentence from that word. You have to make sure कि जो word मैंने दिया है वही तुम choose नहीं कर रहे हो. For example, I have given you word money. So make a sentence on it. Jaldi.
Improve the lifestyle of a person.
Money improves the lifestyle of a person. Money के अलावा जितने भी words हैं इसमें lifestyle, person, improves. You have to choose a word and make a sentence. It will go जब तक कोई भी टीम बैकआउट करती है या फिर लूज करती है. ठीक है, जो भी करेगी उसको पॉइंट नहीं मिलेगा, दूसरी टीम को मिलेगा.
हम इसमें क्वालिटी मैटर नहीं करेगी.
You have to make sure ना क्वालिटी भी अच्छी हो.
करेगी भाई, क्वालिटी तो मैटर करेगी.
क्वालिटी पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज क्यों करेगा कोई? नहीं करनी है क्वालिटी से कॉम्प्रोमाइज. क्लियर है? ठीक है, स्टार्ट करें. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद टीम ए. एडवेंचर इज योर वर्ड.
Rafting is an adventurous sport.
रैपिड जल्दी.
Sports increase the stability and the stamina of an individual. The stamina can be improved by physical fitness. Physical fitness can be enhanced by having a good diet, balanced diet. Balanced diet always make us healthy.
A person who is healthy will make good in his life. Health is the new wealth.
You're repeating the word. Healthy and health is a kind of a same word. You loses. Team B got 1 point. ठीक है?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Triggered ऐसा word. Now either you can volunteer yourself or I will pick you. You have to share those. हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल देखकर बोल सकते हो आपका इंसिडेंट है.
I'll be sharing my worst incident till yet. This incident involved my Mama ji, Shri Malkeet Singh, to whom I was very close. He was the one who covered a distance of more than 90 kilometers to fetch me from Minerva Academy, even though he had just completed his night shift and I had contracted chickenpox. He would always know what I wanted and would have it ready by the time I would reach home. One fine day, we were informed that he had met with an accident, and at that time we didn't know that he had passed away. When we got the news, I was devastated, and so was my mother. The hands which had cared for me straight from childhood were lifeless now. The ever smiling, the ever giving face we had was expressionless now. That day still resonates with me and is one of the lowest points of my life till now. Whenever I feel low, I imagine that he's standing beside me with a smile on his face and motivates me to go ahead.
I have many good experiences till now, but as I have to give an example, an individual example. So it was about when I was in 8th class, I generated an interest in my apple orchards. So before I generated interest in working in my orchard fields, the annual income which we made through orchards were 6 to 7 lakhs. But as I got interested, and my father used to live away from home as he is serving in ITBP, and my mother and my brother used to live in Shimla. So I was the one who was working in the orchards. So I started understanding the things, learning the science behind the orchards, and give my whole 3 years from 8th till 11th class to the orchards. And then in 2017, it was the time when I alone went to the market and sold the apples, and I still remember that I got a check of 38 lakhs at that time, and that was the time when I believed that I have contributed positively towards my family. That was my good experience. And now I would like to share my worst experience. It was about my when my maternal grandfather died. He was 72-year-old at that time. He was very fit and disease-free old man. And the last night before he died, I still remember that we were sitting in my room. We used to sleep together, and he used to tell me stories about his army career and all of that. We spent a very good time before he died, and at that night he told me that you should learn driving as soon as possible, because he was suffering from fits, so he was not comfortable to drive car anymore. And then we both of us slept down, and in the early morning, it was time of 6 or 7 a.m. when he saw me sleeping and write a note on a paper that I am leaving to a bank, I have some work, and I will come soon. Come soon home. So he write that note that I didn't get disturbed as I was sleeping. So at 8 to 9 a.m. it was time of 8 to 9 a.m. when we got a news that he met with an accident because of its fits problem, and he died on spot. At that time I just generated a very bad guilt that if he would have if I would not be sleeping at that time, I would have saved him. And also I have stored that note till the time now, and always I read that note that I will come soon. I feel that he's going to come soon. Thank you.
थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, और इस चैनल को डेफिनेटली सब्सक्राइब करें जिससे आपको इस तरह का कंटेंट मिलता रहे। और इसके साथ आप प्ले स्टोर से शौर्य और विवेक नाम का ऐप भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, जहां पर आपको इस तरीके का डिफेंस का कंटेंट, एसएसबी का कंटेंट भी मिलेगा। जय हिंद।